What is up, y'all? It's Amari. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the perfect slick back, and we're going to be adding a little razzle dazzle with this Amazon ponytail where you can wear it two ways. If you want to learn how to do this super cute and affordable hairstyle, just keep on watching. The products I'll be using today is the Extreme Hair Gel, a hard bristle brush, edge control brush, a rat tail comb, my secret ingredient is gummy hair gel, and if you can't find the gummy hair gel, the got to be gel will work. And lastly, this super cute and affordable human hair kinky curly ponytail, which will be linked down below. And then I'm just going to be parting out the perimeter of my hair. As you see, I'm not doing this perfect at all. I'm just trying to take it to get to the middle part of my head because I want this look back to be as slick as possible. And if the middle is bulky, girl, it's not going to be slick. If you have thicker hair, it's easier to always start in the middle and then work your way out. And then I'm taking the Extreme Gel and I'm just applying this throughout my hair, and I'm doing it in smaller sections so each section has some of this gel on it. And also to note, I did blow dry the roots of the front and back of my head because that's really what I'm worried about being the most slick, and the middle of my head was kind of still damp. And once you secure that middle part with an elastic, you're going to move on to the front of your hair and be sure to brush out your edges because once you put in the gel, it's going to be harder to get out. And this is where that gummy gel is going to come into use. And if you don't have that gummy gel, this is where you can use the Got2b as a substitution. I'm going to apply this to the front of my head, and as you see, the moment I apply it, my hair instantly starts becoming slick, and I'm just going to brush that through so it gets through every strand. And as you see, as I'm gathering all up, I'm still brushing it and trying to slick it back actively just to mold it all in place. And just to clarify, I'm not taking that middle section down that we did earlier. That's going to stay in your head, so make sure it's not too tight. And girl, get ready for these hand cramps because this ain't no joke. And once I get into that bun, I don't stop brushing, and then I even take an edge brush with a little bit of that gummy on there to get more precise in some of the parts that just need a little extra help. And then I'll redo the ponytail just so it's all sleek into my liking. Then I'll just go through with that rat tail comb and brush through the product just to make sure it's still super sleek. And I never said this was a quick process, y'all. I just said that your hair was going to be slick, and this is just what it takes for a slick back. And now for a fun part to give your arms some rest. You're just going to take an edge controller of your choice and then go ahead and slick down your edges.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I'ma tell you this one time.
And you can stop here if this is the look you're feeling. If you're feeling like a natural bun type of look and you just wanted a simple slick back, you can definitely stop here because this is super cute. Now going into look number 2, we're doing this Amazon ponytail, and I'm just going to take this Amazon ponytail. It does come with 2 clips and a drawstring, and I'm just going to take that first clip and stick it into my head. Do not stick this in too rough or to where it's going to be uncomfortable later, because I promise you're going to want to snatch it off your head. And I'm just going to take that drawstring and I'm just going to tighten it, and then I'm going to pull it and wrap it around to secure it. And then to just give it that more of a natural look, I'm just going to spray some water to it and brush it out. And that just gives it more of like a frizzy, natural look that I'm going for. And then I'm just going to take some of that Extreme Gel and finger coil the ends because it just gives it such a cuter look. And then if you just want to stop here, I do recommend getting a black scrunchie or wrapping a piece of hair around it to hide the base of the ponytail. And now you have look number 2 all wrapped up. And you can definitely stop here because this ponytail is it, girl. But if you're like, I want to take it a step further, you're going to take a hair from the ponytail and you're going to flip it forward. And this is going to create the bun look. And you're just going to play with this till you get it to your liking. And I just put a hair tie to secure it. And this creates like a cute messy bun, and this is just so cute to me, and it just gives you another style out of this ponytail. And that completes style number 3. And now that you got 3 styles out of one simple slick back, I cannot wait for y'all to try it. And if y'all do try it, please tag me in y'all's photos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get you guys in the next one. Bye!